New recipe. Good.
Very nice.
This is my dinner tonight. Made this Kerala style Sukka chicken for dinner. It's hot. Even when it's hot, I'm impatient. A new recipe I tried. That's good. Keep watching. Recipe coming up. I've taken 500 grams of curry cut chicken. Marinate with salt, some red chili powder, and some turmeric. Keep this aside. Heat a pan and add some refined oil. You can use coconut oil if you want to. Add some mustard seeds, an inch of chopped ginger, chopped garlic, one chopped green chili, and a few slices of coconut. Now give it a mix. Add some curry leaves. First I'm adding 4-5 shallots and one chopped onion. Cook this till it's caramelized. The onions are caramelized. Now add some salt, a little bit of turmeric powder, some Kashmiri red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons, I said tablespoon by mistake, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix this for a bit. Once the masala is mixed, add 1 chopped tomato. Give it a good mix. Add half a cup of hot water and cook this masala well. I've cooked the masala for about 3-4 minutes. Now add your chicken. Give it a good mix. Put it on low flame. On low flame, cover it and cook it for 6-7 minutes. In between, keep stirring it. Once in a while, give it a stir. Chicken is boiled. Add a little garam masala and some pepper powder. Now keep cooking this till all the water dries up because it's a sukha roast kind of Kerala chicken. This is a sukha, so dry the whole thing up. Now look at the color. It's almost done. Chicken is ready. Switch off your stove. Cover it and let it rest. This is our dinner tonight. I've made a Kerala style sukha chicken for my mommy. Let's try. I'm nervous. I hope you like it.
Looking forward to it.
ভাত সাজিয়ে দিয়েছি
দেখছি তাই।
একটু মাখা মাখা গায়ে মাখা ঝোল বাট আমরা তো সবসময় একই রকম খাই একটু টেস্ট করে বলো তো tell me how it is. I hope it's not too spicy. The jhol is the main thing, mother.
Yes. The curry patta. I love.
New recipe. Good.
Very nice. Very nice.
Not too spicy, na?
No. It's got that. I love that
Coconutty.
taste of the coconutty and the curry patta, and I like that dry, and yet it's got that gravy-ish thing.
Yeah, because we have the same chicken all the time.
Yeah, very, very tasty.
What is your dinner?